Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 2 2007 model which just came to Autorounders for overcoat. In this we're gonna change some of the damages part such like bumper, fog lamp. As per customer demand, we're gonna keep the car in same model which is in Type 2. And we're gonna paint this car in paint booth. So stay tuned guys for more details. Thank you. Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 2. We just came to Autorounders for overcoat. As you can see, we have painted this vehicle in pearl white. Earlier the vehicle was in maroon color. We have painted this whole car in paint booth and we have installed some of the accessories like door handle, side door molding, and from the rear you can see we have replaced a dicky putty with reflector, the dicky chrome, and in the interior we'll change the seat cover into fabric. You can see the fitting, the quality of the material. So guys, if you're looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based in Mumbai. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। आज हम एक इनोवा डिलीवर कर रहे हैं जो लाल कलर में थी, उसे पर्ल वाइट किया है और एज इट इज़ रिटेन किया। राजन भाई उनके डैड के साथ ये गाड़ी बनवाए। राजन भाई, टेल मी हाउ वाज एक्चुअली?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा और ये मेरे पापा की फेवरेट कार थी और बहुत टाइम से बोल रहे थे कि हम लेंगे कहीं ये कार। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था।
थैंक यू सो मच अभियान, थैंक यू।